Most of the times, the finest beauty cannot be explainable. It's just a matter of feelings. It is beyond the capture power of a camera or a description of a writer. It is only lies within our inner self, the mental peace we carry from that beauty. The longest time frame it remains within us, many times forever of our life, and brings smile to our face even in the toughest time of our life. The forest of Bhitorkonika mangrove is one of them. Now, for better understanding about the place, we choose to explain Bhitorkonika in four parts. They are as follows. First, we talk about its position. It is situated in the delta of river Brahmani, Boitarani, Dhamra and Patshala. The area is intersected by a network of creeks with Bay of Bengal on the east. Second, we talk about its ecosystem. Mangroves are salt-tolerant, complex and dynamic ecosystems that occur in tropical and subtropical intertidal regions. Bhitarkonika is one such location of rich, lush green, vibrant ecosystem lying in the estuarine region of Brahmani Boitrani in the northeastern corner of Kendrapara district of Odisha. Giant saltwater crocodiles and a variety of other wildlife inhabit this ecosystem, which is one of Asia's most spectacular wildlife sanctuaries. Now we need to know its geographical importance. Mangroves are salt-tolerant trees, also called halophytes, and are adapted to life in harsh coastal conditions. They contain a complex salt filtration system and complex root system to cope with saltwater immersion and wave action. They are adapted to the low oxygen conditions of waterlogged mud. A very old Hindu temple established within Bhitarkonika mangrove forest. So let's again talk about its geographical importance. Mangrove swamps protect coastal areas from erosion, storm surge, especially during hurricanes and tsunamis. The mangrove massive root systems are efficient at dissipating wave energy. Likewise, they slow down tidal water enough so its sediment is deposited as the tide comes in, leaving all except fine particles when the tide ebbs. In this way, mangroves build their own environments. Because of the uniqueness of mangrove ecosystems and the protection against erosion they provide, they are often the object of conservation programs, including national biodiversity action plans. It has much significance with regard to ecological, geomorphological, and biological background, which includes mangrove forests, rivers, creeks, estuaries, backwater, accredited land, and mudflats. Bhitarkonika National Park is core area of Bhitarkonika Sanctuary. The park is home to the saltwater crocodile, Indian python, black ibis, wild boar, rhesus monkey, cheetal, darter, cobra, monitor lizard, olive ridley turtles nest on Gohirmatha and other nearby beaches. Now go back to the history of Bhitarkonika. Bhitarkonika has a very rich historical and cultural past. It used to be the hunting grounds of the erstwhile king of Kanika. The hunting towers and artificial watering holes can be seen at many places including Bhitarkonika Trail and at Dangmal. The major attraction of the forest is the wildlife wealth. Some other facts about Bhitarkonika are: it is the second largest ecosystem of India, and it is the oldest bird sanctuary of Odisha. So that is everything for the jungle trek of Bhitarkonika. Please wait for my next videos of this Bhitarkonika web series. Till then, bye bye.